cooking, fam. On our menu today for lunch, it's peppered steaks over there. I get our steaks cooked down. My butcher did it for me, you see how thin and nice. Yeah, so it's there cooking down. Not ready to put in the bell peppers as yet. Yeah, we are making peppered steak, curry chicken, and of course good curry or curries here cooking down. Jerk pork, rice and peas, white rice. I think mac and cheese, raw veg, steamed veg, festival. This is it. So this is our curry, and it's here. Yeah, coming down. Okay, now fam, this is my jerk pork. You see how jerk pork can shrink? This is 20 pounds of pork. You see it? It's on my jerk pan here, and it's been done slow. You see it? To take its color. Yeah. So be mindful of jerk pork. Jerk pork is something that shrinks. I'm gonna go give people 20-30 pounds of pork, and when then done, you say them teeth it or eat it out. It shrinks. Okay, so this is jerk pork being done. So this is the rice and peas. Fam, not a lot of people eating rice and peas. As we go along, you will see most people want vegetable and other condiments. People now eat no whole heap of bag of rice and peas and them something. So rice is ready nice. This regular rice too, and it's shelly and nice. Yeah. So I'll catch you around. Okay, now family, some raw veg, crunchy and nice, all done, and that's where we are. Okay, now fam, finishing up on this peppered steak. Let's add more peppers and stuff.